Hey everybody, a lot of you have reached out to me to let me know that your PS4 stopped working after the 8.01 software update that got released by Sony. So many of you tried my video up here where I show you how to install the update using safe mode and also using your internet. But a lot of you tried it, told me it didn't work. So there is another way to install the PS4 system software update in safe mode. However, it requires you to have a computer, and a lot of you have told me that, well, you don't have a computer, you only have your PS4. So I thought to myself, how can I help you guys? So I really thought about it to try to come up with a solution that would work for most of you. And thinking about it, I know that most of you have a smartphone, or at least can get their hands on a smartphone. And I'm going to show you in this video how to use your smartphone to install the 8.101 update onto your PS4 without losing data. So again, this is just the update, it's not the full reinstallation, and doing this will not erase your data on your hard drive on your PS4. So here are a few of the things you're gonna need to accomplish this. So first, you're gonna need a smartphone. It can be yours, or it can be your parents or brother, sister. So we're gonna leave that there. You are gonna need a USB flash drive. So it can be 4 gigabytes or larger. You are gonna need a USB adapter so that you can hook up your USB flash drive and connect it up to your phone. So whether you have an iPhone, an Android based smartphone, I will leave links down in the description below for the appropriate adapter for your phone. So those are 3 things that you will need. You will also need your PS4 controller, and you will also need a compatible USB cable that works for your PS4. The cable does have to support both charge and data. You could try looking around your house to see if you have one that works. If it doesn't work, then look down in the description. I do have a cable link that I know works for sure, available from Amazon. All right, so let's get started with this fix. So if you're watching this video on your smartphone right now, this is what you're gonna do. Right next to the title of the video, you're gonna see a little down arrow. Go ahead and touch that. And that's gonna bring up the video description. Go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see this one right here where it says PS4 software update download page. Go ahead and touch the link. And you're gonna use whatever browser you have available on your smartphone. This is an iPhone, so I'm gonna go ahead and use Safari. Now this is gonna take us to the PlayStation.com website and to the location where you can download the latest PS4 system software update. As of this video, it's 8.01. And you're gonna see that there's 2 files that you can possibly download. Do not download the reinstallation file. This will wipe all the data on your PS4, so be careful. What you want to download is the PS4 update file. Now before we download this, we're going to want to connect our flash drive to the USB adapter, and then we're going to connect our USB adapter to the phone, just like that. Okay, as you can see, the USB drive kind of lit up to tell us it's reading it. So now that your USB drive is inserted into your phone, then go ahead and click on the download PS4 update file, and you're gonna touch this button here. Now notice it is gonna take a little while depending on your network connection. As long as you see this little blue bar still on top, you're good to go. So just wait it out. It could be anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes or more. So we're just gonna wait it out right here. Okay, you see the little progress bar, the blue bar on top is moving forward, so that's a good sign. So it's almost at the end, that means it's almost done downloading the file. Okay, great, so now the file has been downloaded. It's asking you if you wanna open it. So you don't wanna open it, what you wanna do is save the file. So what we're gonna do here on this iPhone, we're gonna press this little icon here, which is gonna be to download it. Okay, then you're gonna touch the little folder where it says save to files. So go ahead and tap on save to files right now. Okay, it's gonna give you some options of where to save the file to, either to your iCloud drive, your cloud storage, on your phone, or a USB drive. It has to be on the USB drive. Otherwise, it's not gonna work with the PS4. So go ahead and select USB drive, and it's not gonna erase anything on your USB drive, so it's safe to do this. And you see this little folder up there. You're gonna wanna create a folder and follow along because this is really important. You have to name these folders this way. So you're gonna go ahead and name it PS4, all in capitals, and then tap on done. Okay, so now you're in the PS4 folder, and where you can create is another folder. So tap the icon again, and we're gonna make it all capitals, and you're gonna call it update, and then tap on done. So now you see that the file will be saved under a folder called PS4 and then under update. So under PS4 and then update, it's gonna save it. Again, it needs to be exactly named like this, otherwise it's not gonna work. Go ahead and tap on save. Now you're gonna see your flash drive indicators go off. It's gonna take quite a while to transfer the file over to your USB drive. So I'm talking about maybe 5-10 minutes. It all depends on how fast your USB drive and how fast the transfer is between the phone. So I'm just gonna set this down, as it is gonna take quite a bit of time, and we'll pick it up once it's done. So I do wanna point out that you'll know when it's done transferring the file when this flash drive starts blinking, and also you see this little kind of wheel is spinning. That will stop spinning, that will disappear. That means the file is transferred now. Okay, and there we go. We know that it's finished transferring when we don't see the flash drive blinking anymore. And also it goes back to this page where it shows the file here. You don't see that spinning wheel over here anymore. So, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next step. We're gonna take our flash drive, remove it, and then we're gonna go ahead and insert it into one of the USB ports of our PS4. Now we're gonna take our PS4 controller, and we're gonna connect our compatible USB cable to the controller and then to the PS4. Okay, so now what we need to do to install the PS4 System Software Update 8.01 from the USB drive is to put our PS4 into safe mode. In order to do that, you're gonna hold down the power button for about 8 seconds. You're gonna hear it beep twice, so make sure you hear that second beep. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold it down now. That's one beep. Keep holding it down till you hear the second beep. There we go. You can go ahead and let it go. Okay, so we look up at our screen now. We're gonna get this message here. So it says safe mode, and then it says connect the DualShock 4 using USB cable, and then press the PS button. So we're gonna do exactly that. We're gonna take our PS4 controller and we're gonna press the PS button. Now, if nothing happens when you press the PS button, that means that your USB cable is not compatible with the PS4. You're gonna need to find another cable or pick up the one from the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and press that PS button now. Now you're gonna get the safe mode menu, and you're not gonna use this analog stick to go up and down. It's not gonna go up and down. You need to use the D-pad here. So go ahead and use the D-pad, go down to option number 3, which is update system software, and go ahead and press the X button. Okay, so we're gonna go with option number 1, which is update from USB storage device, and go ahead and press the X button. And then it says connect a USB storage device that contains an update file for version 8.01 or later. And it does tell you where you can download the update file from. That's what we did using our phone. So go ahead and use the D-pad to go to the right to OK, and then you're gonna press the X button. Sure enough, because we put our file in the correct folders, PS4, then update, and then just download the file in there, it did find version 8.01 of the update. So we're gonna go ahead and go to next, and then press the X button. This is gonna go ahead and copy the update file over to our PS4, and it's gonna go ahead and proceed with installing the PS4 System Software Update 8.01, and hopefully it'll get your PS4 working again. Okay, so here it tells you that it requires the PS4 to be restarted in order to install the update. So go ahead and press the X button to update now. Okay, it is now installing the update. Notice that it's going to progress through the percentages. Now, if you have the problem where it gets stuck at a certain point, like 23, 24%, or 99%, that typically means that there's something wrong with your hard drive on your PS4, and you will have to replace it. Okay, so you don't have to buy a whole new PS4. Just replace the hard drive and follow my instructions in one of my other videos on how to do a full reinstallation of the system software. So I will leave a link to a compatible PS4 hard drive down below. So take a look at that if you need to. Okay, so the PS4 is restarting, and hopefully if everything went fine, we're gonna see our nice blue home screen and we're good to go. Okay, that's a good sign. If we see the PS logo, you're gonna see that rebuilding database, usually pretty quick. It's pretty standard. And there we go. There is our home screen. And a lot of you have asked me about the background. That is the active background from The Last of Us Part 2. And that was a pre-order bonus for The Last of Us Part 2 Deluxe version, I believe. Alright guys, so I just showed you how to install the PS4 System Software Update 8.01 using your smartphone to get your PS4 working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button on the way out. Now, I did this video demonstration using an iPhone. If you guys need me to do a video using an Android phone, go ahead and comment down below. If a lot of people ask for it, then I will go ahead and do a video showing you how to do it on Android. Oh, a couple more things before I let you go. It is now safe to go ahead and unplug the USB flash drive. Also, if you disconnected your PS4 controller and it's not syncing up to your PS4, what you have to do is use a compatible USB cable such as this one and go ahead and press the PS button. Once you do that once with the cable, then it will be synced up with your PS4, and then you can go ahead and disconnect it, and then you can go ahead and press the PS button and it will sync up with your PS4. Just FYI for those of you who had that problem. All right guys, I'll see you.